Yo, what's up? So this is going to be a really quick video. It's all wet out here. I'm trying to get this GoPro to work consistently because it's kind of hit or miss with the audio, whether it records or not. So I'm just going to take a quick trip out here. I also want to look at the field of view because 4K 30 doesn't have like the super view mode, but 1080p 60 frames per second does. So I'm trying out the 1080p 60 frames. I did some recording in my house and try to compare the two. Holy shit, just water splashing all over me. And the 1080p 60 actually looks better than the 4K 30. So I'm going to try this out. Actually, I'm going to head back right now because it's too fucking wet out here. I'm just getting splashed in the face. You know, that's what it is, because the bike looks a lot better without the front fender on it. But I'm getting splashed. So maybe I'll need to figure out, because I don't like how high the fender is over the wheel, because it's all the way up top and you got tiny wheels, so it doesn't look good. So I think what I'm going to do is see if I can find, you know, one of those fenders that you zip tie on and get it closer to the wheel. See how that looks, but I don't want it to be so close that when, you know, I jump off a curb or something or hit something that it hits the suspension. So I'll have to figure that out. But yeah, riding is just a little bit wet like this. It's just splashing me a lot, so this isn't going to work. But that should be plenty.